Alright guys, out here today, got two 18-year-old American Standard systems that have done a great job over the last 18 years, but it's time to go ahead and redo everything. We're going back with Navien equipment. We're going to get these out of here, pour concrete pad right here. We're going to give you updates throughout the process and let you know how this Navien equipment is to install. We have been at it most of the day. Not most of the day, I take it back, probably 3 or 4 hours. Got all the old stuff removed. Got our concrete pad that we wanted to pour, got all that poured. And next thing, we got to run new line set for the downstairs. And I got to get a new, at least liquid line upstairs. Alright guys, we just got the air handler upstairs installed. The air handler downstairs is installed as well. Still got piping and wiring to do. Once we get everything soldered, wired, and we're ready for startup, then we will come back with you and we'll talk about startup. Alright, we got all the install done. Purged nitrogen while we soldered. Wired everything up to the pigtails. Got my thermostat wiring on the outside because it's how I prefer to troubleshoot if we need to. Everything went smooth. Set the jumpers for the airflow and wired everything up. Should be good to go. I am going to nitrogen test now. Go outside nitrogen test and pull vacuum. And we should be ready to start her up. Hi guys, so we went through some installation videos, kind of bits and pieces of installation. Got some before and after pictures. But if you're seeing this is kind of just a testimonial. I mean, these things, you can hear this one running right now. It's super, super quiet, inverter driven. It's been, super cold. I think it was 19 degrees last night. No heat strips needed whatsoever. I mean, we're getting full. I think I tested last night, was 110 to close to 110 degree air coming out of the vents at 19 degrees outside with no heat strips. It's very, very impressive. Installation wise, I mean, it's pretty straightforward, right? It's a heat and air conditioned piece of equipment. You still get your duct connections, you're brazing the line set in or pressing. A lot of guys are pressing now. We braze these in with ran nitrogen through them while we were brazing and everything. As far as setup wise, on the indoor, we'll take you upstairs and show you the indoor, pull the cover off and show you everything here shortly. But you set your jumper for airspeed, CFMs, and that's it. It's pretty easy. On the outdoors, you just make sure your jumper's set for the proper size. We have one 2-ton for downstairs and one 3-ton for upstairs. Again, simple, super jumper setting on the outdoor. And then as far as monitoring these things, I mean, obviously if you got an issue and you're trying to troubleshoot stuff, you'd probably hook gauges up at some point. But as far as any type of maintenance work or just checking stuff, you got the Bluetooth. You push the button on the board, connect the Bluetooth, and you can see pressures, temperatures, inverter speed, whether the hot gas valve's open or closed. You can see crankcase heater, whether it's in defrost cycle. The motor operation right now for this one's in standby. This is the one I'm hooked up to. That's what I'm looking at. It is super user friendly. Again, I can get this thing working and we can see some pressures and stuff. Here, let me go to my Wi-Fi thermostat here. We're going to call the upstairs to come on. So again, just called for the unit to be on. It's coming on. We see the hertz of the compressor. We see temperatures and we see pressures. We see EEV position, see the whole 9 yards. It's in heating operation down here. It's no longer in standby. Super, super user friendly and really easy to access. When we set this thing up, Brian, if you want to point the camera over here, button's right here. Push that button, we open our app. And we connect the Bluetooth to the one we see, to the model number, and it starts communicating. It is literally that simple. Putting this thing back together. Again, it was 19 degrees outside last night. We had snow. We can see snow precipitation. See a little bit of ice on the coils. They've gone through defrost. No heat strips. I mean, completely. That one's going through defrost right now. No heat strips. It's pretty amazing. I mean, we're looking. I don't have an energy bill yet to be able to go off of, but I'm looking to save quite a bit of money off of the previous equipment that was out here. Multiple screws go in this panel. It's not like your typical 2 or 3 screws that go in the panel. So it's very quiet, no vibration, no metal vibration. All right guys, again, just wrapping up the previous install videos, putting everything together here. Just wanted to talk about, again, just normal installation, duct connections, electrical. You got top and bottom connections. I actually drilled a hole in the side just for easier access right into the electrical panel for me with a unibit. Worked out well. All's good. Put a wire connector on there and it's good to go. You can see your board up here. This is where we do our jumpers for the airflow settings for CFM. Again, this unit is good from 1.5 to 3 tons, so there's a wide range of CFM variances that we have to do to change that. Again, just a simple jumper switch, really easy. ECM fan motor, again, super quiet. We've been very impressed, had it installed for a couple weeks now. Again, it's just been, homeowner's been super impressed, very quiet, everything went very well. All right guys, buttoning this thing back up now. Obviously you saw 2 units outside. We came to the attic, the other one's in the crawl space, which is fairly normal for Virginia. We're not going to the crawl space today to videotape that fella. It was a super easy install, super easy setup. The homeowner is very happy and impressed with the quality of the equipment so far and just the sound level. Also, I'm very impressed with the quality as well. I mean, the air handler's good, thick, heavy metal. I like the powder coating on the outdoor unit, texturized. It's very impressive, very good install.